and this is 1:52 a.m. I'm shaking. God, I thank you. That's God, I thank you. God, I thank you. I have applied to so many schools, so many universities for my PhD studies, and I've been getting not admitted, not admitted. We are sorry. Unfortunately, we didn't. Um, some of them will say, unfortunately, you didn't qualify. Some of them will say, your research is not. In fact, but I didn't give up. Last year, I even applied to University of West Bohemia in Czech Republic. I'm mentioning the name of that school because that school frustrated my life. I applied for the first stage. They didn't give me admission. I applied for the second stage. They said I should apply for the second stage. I applied for the second stage. They didn't give me admission. I lost all hope because I spent a lot of money, because when you apply, you have to pay an application fee in euro. There was one, excuse me, there was one I paid 50 euro. To cut the long story short, on the 30th of January, I applied for PhD studies in. There was once I applied, but I think I forgot to pay the application fee for that particular one, and the application period expired. So I applied for that school again without knowing that it's that same school. It was after application that I found out that I've applied for that university before, but I didn't pay application fee early due to this dollar stuff. Because if you want to pay in dollar or in euro, like if you want to pay money outside Nigeria, you have to go and change it to that currency before you pay, or you have to open a dollar account or a euro account or something. So that's why I didn't pay for that. So after application, I now saw that I've applied for this school before and I failed to pay the application fee and the application period expired. So I'm like, I was scared that it's going to affect this new application that I've done. Maybe they'll think this person is not a serious person. She didn't pay for the application the other time and it expired. Now she has applied again. I was worried. So what I did was that I prayed about it and I was not scared. I was having this positive thinking in me. So after I quickly paid the application fee. Don't mind me, I'm stammering because I'm happy. I waited, so they said the response will be out today by 7 p.m. So by 7 p.m. I checked and there was nothing. They said it's still in process. I don't know, I couldn't sleep. I was supposed to sleep by 11. In fact, I ate by 11. I was waiting, nothing. I didn't see any email. I was just here. So at about 2 a.m., at about 1 something a.m. To 2, I got an email. My mind just told me, Abigail, you've gotten it. And I just shouted, thank you, Jesus. I've never even checked the mail. I just said, thank you, Jesus. And I just opened the mail. As I was opening the mail, network was bad. I was just saying in my mind, thank you, Jesus. I know you have done it. This year, I must do my PhD. And when I opened it, guys, they said I've been admitted. I'm not going to post this video. I'm not going to post this video until I get my visa. When my visa is out, I'm going to post it. Or better still, when I've traveled, I'm going to post it. I'm going to save this video. I made this video on the 15th of February 2024, 2 a.m. That's when I made this video. It's a testimony. God did it. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. After 5 years, no, not really 5 years. When did I start applying for my PhD studies? I started applying for my PhD studies to study abroad from 2022. So and this is 2024. And I've been getting no. And today, God did it. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. You don't know anything. I won't say anything. Thank you, Jesus. You don't know how excited I am. God has done it. God has done it for me. Good morning, everyone. So, okay, so I'm calm, right? It's 2 months after visa application, and I just got a call from the visa center this morning. Like, look at my face, I was still sleeping. They said I should come and collect my passport. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to, I'm short of words, so I'm just going to go. I'll quickly shower, I'll brush my teeth, and I'm going there like now. I'm so excited because I know it's going to be positive. Yeah, because I have Jesus, I have God, and I believe. Okay, let me quickly go and shower. I've not even eaten. I don't care. I will just shower, brush quickly, and then rush there. Because I've waited for 2 months. And guys, I've been thinking, because lectures have started for like a month already. In fact, I'm going to present my project less than 20 days from now. So I'm supposed to be in, I'll not call the name of the country. I'm supposed to be there already. So yeah, let's go get my visa. I'm going to do like a reaction visa. How do they call it? Visa reaction video. I'll be what. I'm talking too much. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, at this point, I don't know what to wear. Cause with faith, I have packed already. As you can see. See, look at my box. Look at my hand luggage. I've already paid for like my 23 kg, so I'd already packed all my things with faith, though, guys, with faith. Oh God, I have a living God. So let me just pick something from here carefully and rush. Hi guys, I'm set already. This is what I'm wearing. Like, I can't find any, like, I'm not in a very calm state to look for something better to wear. I look homeless, I know, but I don't care. So I'm off now. This is like 9:30 and they are going to close by 1 p.m. I don't want to wait for even a minute. So yeah, let's go. See you later. Bye. It is actually a very sunny day, and I'm going to walk right to that place and I'll go like this. It's quite a distance and I'm sweating. It's hot. Look at the sun. Today's sun is something else, and oh my God, it's just 11 a.m. This is 11 a.m. and look at the sun. Look at the sun. I'm sweating already. So the visa center is supposed to close by, is it 11 or 1 p.m.? I can't remember. The last time I was here was like 2 months ago. Yeah. So I hope they've not closed, because I must get my passport today. Like, so fingers crossed they've not closed for the day for passport collection. So yeah,
We're almost there. See you later. Bye. Hi. I guess I'm back. So we are almost at the visa center. The visa center is opposite this Nikon insurance building. Okay, that's the visa center. You can see it. Let me zoom. So that, I don't think it's clear, but when I get there I'll show you. So we are not allowed to take phones in or do videos. So, oh my god, I'm tired. I'll show you the building. So that is the building. The building painted with red and, what color is that? Red and blue? Red and white? I don't know. I have to drop my bag so I won't pay money inside. So guys, I am here. Third floor, right? Third floor. Yeah, it is only me on the elevator today. I forgot to. Can you imagine? I forgot to. That's what I was going to. I'm excited because I'm in a hurry. So guys, I have to drop my bag outside because inside there they will collect money. So I have to drop my bag. It's here. Thank you.
Here I had already entered the visa center and they were looking for my passports. Yeah, so I collected my package. I'm actually not supposed to do any video inside the visa center, but you know me now. I wanted to capture the moment. So yeah, I had to keep my phone somewhere. Like, I was anxious. I was scared. Like, there were so many things running through my mind. But, you know, I have to open it now. So yeah, I opened the package. there was a guy there, like I think he came to collect his passport too, or maybe he's working there, I don't know. But he was just curious, he was just looking at me, he wanted to see my reaction and all that. So I was trying to smile back at him. So yeah, I brought up my passport. So that's my police character letter. So they returned it back to me. Yeah, and this lady that just passed, she was like, hope you are not doing a video. And my phone fell. So she said, just make sure you're not doing a video. Okay. But I continued doing my video. So yeah, I opened my passport and I saw my visa. I was so excited. Look at me. I was just smiling like a goat. So yeah, guys, I got my visa. I was so happy. I was so happy. Look at me. So I got my visa. I was just going through it because I wanted to be sure that my self-appointment for my residency, like it has to be there. So I wanted to confirm that it was there. Yeah, that's my visa. And it was time for me to go home and start calling my loved ones, you know, to tell them that I've gotten my visa. So the elevator was not working, and then later it worked.
I got my
so yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
It was down. Jesus, I forgot. Going down, like I got my visa. I got my visa. I got my visa. I'm so excited. Oh God. visa. I got my visa. Ooh. Guys, I got my visa. Jesus.
So I had to send a message to my friend in the UK. I had to tell her I've gotten my visa. So yeah, that was what I was trying to do here. She has actually pushed me like all through the process, because there was a time I got tired because of the process. I got tired, but she pushed me, she encouraged me, like God bless her for me. So I had to call her. So here we were talking. I was saying her that I've gotten my visa and all that. So she was excited. She was so happy for me, cause the waiting period is something else. So yeah, that's what happened.
Of the goodness of God. You guys don't know. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing.